Oh snap, man! I didn't even see y'all there, man. What's good, man? It's your boy Thrill 2. You already know what's going on, man. Yeah, man. We back with another video. You know what I'm doing in here? I'm in here, watching, 1320 videos as usual. Dang, it's loud. Turn this down. But yeah, it's we back with another video, man. As you can see from the thumbnail, what we about to do, man, is, This inspirational, right? This I'm trying to be. I'm watching 1320 video. This guy showing his car collection and stuff like that. This is definitely inspirational. This is exactly what I'm trying to do. That's why I need y'all. That's why I need the supporters. That's why I need y'all to support me. What I'm doing, because I'm trying to bring y'all great content like that. One day I want to be able to show y'all my garage. This man got like 30 cars in here that he just collected that he liked. That's why I need y'all to run these likes up, man. Share my videos, stuff like that, man. Nah, I go. Cue the intro. Man, like you see from the thumbnail, I'm about to install these 1314 tail lights on my Boss 302. Look at my baby sitting out there. Open up his door. But yeah, man, I'm finna install these lights on here, man. So let's get started. GoPro Fred back in the building. It's early in the morning, that's why my voice might sound a little cracky, but it is what it is. I'm gonna bring this content, rather it's in the daytime or the nighttime or the morning time. Let's go, man. I thank y'all for continuing to watch me and support me in my videos and stuff like that. So make sure you stay tuned. Here go the lights right here. Got these from my homeboy Crazy Dave, because as you've seen, he upgraded to some different lights from American Muscle and stuff like that. But he blessed the brother with these. These cost mad money if you want to buy them on the market. But he blessed your brother with these. So this is what we about to do today. Like I said, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, man. If you watching my content all the time, just subscribe to the channel, support your brother. I'm doing this for all the people out here that's like me. I'm trying to build my brand. I believe that I got excellent content, and I believe that I should have way more subscribers and stuff than I do. But that's gonna come with time. We're not worried about that. I do this really from the heart. It ain't really about like becoming huge on YouTube and stuff like that. Cause to be real, I would have been doing this anyway. I would have been doing the same thing I'm doing now. I would have been doing even if I wasn't doing YouTube. Like, cars is what I do. So I just decided to put a camera in front of it, but everything would have got done the same exact way. Come on, man, let's get this started, man. Let me pop this trunk. Yeah, been a long time, G. Still got the Tsunami t-shirts, shout out to Tsunami Clothing, of course, man. That was our collab that we did together. Make sure y'all go check Tsunami Clothing out. They got their whole store going and everything right now. Let me get this stuff off of here. Pop that on. Yeah. Right. Put that down like that. Now, let me unhook these little harness right here. Unhook that like that. Unhook that. Now you see they got these screws right here, man. You gotta let's see. Screws right here, because you do not want to lose the screws, man. You gotta make sure you keep up with the screws. Not want to deal with that. I'm sure the other ones is back here. I've did this before, so I kind of already know where everything is. Second one. It's got it. It's three bolts on the back. It's really super simple to take these tail lights out. Like, they ain't make like no big. It's not really that hard to do. It's something real simple. See, manual man. See how this manual man? No power tools, man. Use my hands only. Hands only. Get that one out like that. Last one for that. And see, pop them 3 out. Look how simple this is. I'm right up out of there. Just like that. Ooh, as you can see, we got the first one out. It actually wasn't as easy as I thought it was. Like, I actually was kind of struggling behind the scenes. But yeah, we got the first tail light out. Like I said, me personally, I don't really like these. Some people like these better than the 13, 14 tail lights, but me personally, I don't really like these like that. I like the 13 and 14 tail lights better. Let me know which ones you like down in the comments. I kind of like the 13, 14 lights better. They look, to me, those are the best tail lights ever made. They look way better at night while you're riding on the highway and stuff like that. How they look way better to me. So, but you know, put down in the comments which ones you like better, 11 and 12 or the 13, 14. As you can see, first tail light is in. Now, like I said, me personally, I like this style way better than I do this style. Like, just look at it. Like, it just looks way meaner. Like, I like the whole black, the way it has the black accent about it and stuff like that. Everything about it is just so nice. All right, you know what, let me see. Let's hit the lights, let's see. Come on, man. You can't even tell this light on over here. Well, I unplugged it, I'm stupid. But, but look at that, man. Come on, you can't tell me that don't look better. Come on, man. I gotta order the, they come with like, it's an extra little fin piece right here that you can order from American Muscle that, that fills it in, like that fills the entire piece in right here to make it, I still gotta order that piece. I'm gonna order that piece, but come on, like, how could you, like how could you argue with that? Like, man, look, the car looks a million times better that way. Oh my. No, let's finish up. Let's finish up so we can see finished product. But yeah, as you can see, look, you know I gotta get my young boys right. These are my son cars right here, man. You know, hey, look, if you're a Mustang guy, you gotta get the boys right, man. So, you know, I started them off early. Make sure, you know, they be a part of that Mustang gang. I had to make sure I had to choose the right car for them before they picked the wrong car. You know how it goes. I had to make sure they had the right car. So yeah, let's continue with this install, man. But just wanted to get that out the way. Like I said, this install is super easy. See how, like, you just slide this through here. Make sure that's your seal right there, so water don't get up in there. Slide the tail light right in, man. Slide it in just like that. Up in there. And bam, it's in there, man. Quick snap in. Bam, baby, look at that. Car's done. Wipe this down, make sure it's nice and neat. You can't tell me these don't look better. Check me out. You can't tell me them don't look better, man. Come on, B. Like, come on, man. You can't tell me, oh my God, my car. Let me close the trunk, see how I look with the trunk closed. Oh my God. Come on, man. Like, come on. Like, what could you say? It looks amazing. It matched like my whole black and smoked out thing I got going on with the car. Like, it matches everything. Signal. Of course I gotta turn turn the ignition on. I'm crazy. Look at that, man. Look at, oh my goodness. Do you see that, man? Like, come on, man. Like I said, man, I like these better. I don't know about y'all, but me personally, these is my favorite. Hey, man, come on, man. Come on. Like, hey, it is what it is. But you know, just think this, like I said, remember in a few videos back, I was saying that I was trying to do more things to you know, make the car look a little bit cooler, man. Like, to me, it was kind of boring. So I wanted to do some things to make it look a little more cooler in my eyes. Maybe, you know, most people like the Boss 302 exactly the way it is. Like, even on the Boss 302 pages, like, dudes be mad because they say I turned a track car into a straight line car. But like, you know, it's a Mustang, man. They gonna race. They gonna be fast. That's what they gonna do. Even though this car was made for like road courses and and stuff like that. But they should never put that amazing engine that they put in it, like straight speed. I got it for straight line action speed. So, but you know, to each his own. Like you get your car, you do what you want to do with it. But I wouldn't shame nobody for doing what they decided to, or choosing what they decided to choose. But it's just how it go. But yeah, you know, I'm finna get up out of here because it is cold outside. My hands is freezing. I'm cold. So you know, this was just a quick video. Doing a quick light install. Like I told y'all, I gotta order a Shelby wing. 'Cause I wanna change this. So I'm gonna get a Shelby wing in black, just like this one. But yeah, just a quick video installing that. I think these lights look way better on the car. Like I'm actually so excited, like just looking at them. Like I just want to ride so somebody can see me, like it's crazy. But yeah, you know, it's your boy Thrill too. I'm up out here. Make sure you like this video. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. What's your preference between the two lights? Which ones you like the best? But yeah, this is a quick video. Make sure you like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. I looked at my analytics, and I get a lot of views from people that's not subscribed. So if you're watching this video right now and you're not subscribed, just do me that favor and hit that subscribe button. But you know, yeah, we up out of here.
Spark another L for my pain. It's fucked up you going, but I seen the rain the other day. When you get to the gate, shout out faith. Word the mother, I'ma miss you forever. In a day, real shit on my mind, I'm not okay. Reminiscing, pulling up for birthdays and holidays. You kept it real, 100 was never fake. Word the mother, I'ma miss you forever. In a day, your daughter been my best friend for a while. Post a pic the other day and I could see the same smile. Your grandson, he really the golden child. I know your other daughter gonna forever hold it down. First mother to swing me my first eighth. Told me to pull up for dinner, even had your boy a cake. Had me smiling the rest of my whole day. Bought you flowers, but you said don't bring anything. I said that's not me. You said you don't have to. We both looked and smiled, shit. Snoop even laughed too. Asking how she felt.